ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
SPF records are used to verify that emails are legitimate. They can help protect you from other people sending fake emails on behalf of your domain name. In this video, we'll show you how to create an SPF record for your domain from inside your cPanel account. This manual is for domains that are pointed to your ALC hosting account via web hosting name servers. If your domain is using the cPanel email service, the SPF record will be added automatically, so you don't need to follow this process. To start with, navigate to the Domains section in the cPanel main menu, and click the Zone Editor button. On the following page, click Manage next to the domain name you want to create the record for. To create a DNS record, click the +Add Record button in the Zone Records section for your domain. In order to add the SPF record, you should create a text DNS record, since SPF are specific types of text records. So, in the box under Type, select Text. In the Name field, paste the domain or subdomain that you're creating the text record for. The TTL can remain as default, which is 1200 seconds. In the Record field, enter the value of the record. The value you need can be found at the email service provider end. You'll usually need to contact the email service provider to receive it, but sometimes it may be stored within your account. You can see an example of a correct SPF record on the screen now. To save the record, click the Save Record button. Once it is successfully created, you will get a notification in the top right corner. That's it, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them under this video. Or check out our knowledge base at alchosting.net for more tips and support.